SDIET are situated in a serene and peaceful atmosphere, and we impart quality education with a focus on holistic development and are committed to become a center of excellence at national and international level. With the higher pedagogical skills and industrial links, our students have the best conceptual knowledge and practical skills, thus giving us an edge over others in producing industry-ready engineers and managers who can excel globally.
Hello everyone, my name is Ravi Bakshi and currently I am working as an assistant professor in the Department of Business Management at Satyug Darshan Institute of Engineering and Technology, Faridabad. Today we will talk about the most famous course in the field of business management, that is BBA. After completion of 10+2 as a commerce student, various students are confused that why should they opt for BBA. So let me tell you that BBA is an advanced course and opportunity for all those who want to join corporate sector in the near future. If we consider the era prior to 1991, the Indian economy was considered as a closed and stuck economy because of financial crisis and due to XYZ reasons. But after 1991, when government thought of that economic reform should be there, so they introduced LPG, and with the advent of liberalization, privatization and globalization, various multinationals they started entering in Indian jurisdiction. In the starting, we were having HUL, that is Hindustan Unilever, McDonald's and KFC companies, and they demanded professional students. So here lies the importance of management studies. So that's why BBA is a course which actually gives you an opportunity to join such multinationals. At Satyug Darshan Institute of Engineering and Technology, we are offering two BBA programs, which are BBA General and BBA Industry Integrated, which is a specialized program in financial services and banking. In previous few years, we have got more than 50 university positions. If we talk about faculty, highly experienced staff we have, those who are having industry exposure as well, and we have good placement records that students have got placed in the companies like Genpact, ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, India Infoline, etc. Various students are having confusion that after BBA, what are the career options? So let me tell you that after completion of your BBA program, you can join BPO industry, KPO industry, private sector banking, you can join insurance sector, retail sector, telecommunication sector. So n number of opportunities out there which are available for a BBA graduate. And those who want to pursue their master degree, it is also possible that after completion of your BBA, because in BBA actually give you the intense knowledge in the various fields of business, like financial management we study marketing management, HRM, operations, production management. So very vast knowledge of subjects are imparting during this program, and in your MBA or in your master degree you can pursue in one of or two domains as a specialization. You can have intense knowledge of your field. So at the end I just wish to thank you and wish you all the best for your career ahead. Thank you.
I am Deepak Khurana, HOD of Mechanical Engineering Department at Satyug Darshan Institute of Engineering and Technology. I have done MTech from IIT Kanpur and PhD from IIT Roorkee. Mechanical engineering is the largest, broadest and oldest branch of all the disciplines. It uses the principles of mechanics, thermal engineering, production engineering and strength of material to design, manufacture and maintain all types of components in our daily use. There are four main areas in mechanical engineering: mechanics, thermal, production and industrial. In Satyug Darshan Institute of Technology, we have well qualified faculty, we have well maintained labs. Different types of labs in mechanical engineering are used, like heat transfer, refrigeration, air conditioning, production, strength of material, kinematics of machine, automobile and IC industry. After completion of their BTech from mechanical engineering, the students have dearth of opportunities in different industries The major industries which appoint mechanical engineers are defense industries, DRDO, ISRO, automobile, space research industries, manufacturing, operation and maintenance, and turbine manufacturing. There are various non-core industries which also appoint mechanical engineers, like food industry, chemical engineering industry, process industry. So we can say that there is wide variety of opportunities for mechanical engineering department students. After completion of their course of 4 years mechanical engineering, they can also go for higher studies. They can give the exam, GATE exam, which is a single exam for their multiple streams. The single exam can be used, the GATE score can be used for their MTech and MS in different